Buffy. Bear. Oh, where'd you go? What are you doing? Buffy. Big stretch. Buffy. You're such a pretty girl. You love the box.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you're happy doing right now when you're watching this. Hope you do it fabulously and safely and take care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight is another awkward unboxing, and I'm super late because, I don't know, I'm just late. But this is the December Hempcrate. We're just going to get right into this. I'm probably going to upload this like the day I get the January box or something, but I just wanted to finally show you, and I'm going to pull up Hempcrate's website so I get the prices right for the boxes. So anyway, this is the health and wellness box. This is $49.99. I used Rachel's code to get my first box, which is Rachel20. Love you dearly, LaFay. I will leave her channel down below. Go check out her videos. She is the one who inspired me to get the Hempcrate because I love CBD products. I love trying new things. So we'll just get right into it. I know this has been posted before, but for anybody who is new to Hempcrate, here it is. You get a monthly subscription of obviously CBD products. And the tincture is supposed to be like the worth of the box or more. So yes, I pay $49.99 for this small box. There's also Furry Friends, so there's a pet box, and there's Hemp the Explorer, which is also $50. And I know you can upgrade and do add-ons, but I don't know much about that. I'm just happy with my box because I already have so many products I'm not using and I haven't gone through yet. But so far I've enjoyed everything I have tried. I still haven't used the coffee or the tea from the last box. But this is how it opens. You have tissue paper and it smells amazing. Like something's leaking through here and it smells so good. It's probably this peppermint stuff. And then I see the Pharma Strip, Discover Wellness, Discover Performance with a coupon code. I'm sure this is a generic code. It's Crate21 if you want to try these Pharma Strips, which I'm guessing are in here. They are right here, which I am down for this as I drop them. There's 4 of these with 10 oral strips. I'm sure these are dissolving strips in each box. So there's 40 strips right here. I might send a couple to a friend for 3. But yeah, melatonin 5 milligrams. I do not see CBD in it. So these are just straight melatonin. There's also vitamin B6, melatonin, obviously chamomile, and passion flower extract. So those will be good, but I have so many sleepy CBD stuff items. Like the gummies I haven't gone through, and I think I have like a half of my sleepy tincture left from the last box. So those will be good regardless if I keep all of them or like keep one and send them to other people. And then we have Harmony Soft Gels, Full Spectrum CBD Hemp Oil, 10 milligrams per serving, 300 milligrams CBD per bottle, and it's 30 soft gels. So I'm going to leave the prices on the screen as I go through these if I can find the prices. But here we go. Soft gels. And let's see. I'm trying to see like directions. I'm sure it's just like take one, but I don't want to open it yet until I go through my other tinctures. And then we have these 7th Sense Bliss CBD mints. 6 pieces, 10 milligrams each. I like the little slidey case. So when you open it, it slides open. When you open it, it slides open. Okay, Sarah. Alright, Pixi. And take 1 to 2 mints for total mind and body wellness. And 10 milligrams CBD. So, I like mints. Yay. I think that's what I'm smelling. And then we have the Ari Botanicals. I do have a tincture right here from a previous box that I enjoyed. It's not even empty yet. It's 15 milligrams, classic. So now we have the Hemp CBD Relief Body Oil. So I'm excited to try that. It says Renew on it and it is peppermint. There's a lot of peppermint stuff in this box and I'm okay with that. And then we have second to last, we have another 7th. How is cat fur already on this? How is cat fur already on this? At the bottom of the box, unopened. 7th Sense Sleep Therapy. And this cute little pouch. And there's 3 items in here. This is a Dream Mist. It's a relaxing pillow spray. So I'm excited to try that, of course. I like my sleep, even though I'm an insomniac. When I do sleep, I enjoy it. And then there's a CBD warming body cream called Get Cozy. And does it say how much CBD is in it? Nope, it's just 1 ounce, 28 grams. It just says CBD warming body cream. And then this will be good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna smell it. Yeah, this whole box combined is what I was smelling. This is also like a peppermint smell. 7th Sense Sleep Therapy, Rest Easy, CBD Soothing Leg and Foot Cream. My feet need help. I am excited about this. And then, last but not least, is our tincture, and it is a CBD oil tincture, broad spectrum, and peppermint. And this is not sleepy, is it? Good. Yay. 30 milliliters, 1 ounce is 1,500 milligrams, so yay for another tincture. I definitely do not mind peppermint. I'm so sorry. Are my ring lights up too high? Probably. I do not mind peppermint taste, anything. I don't know why I'm having issues with my lights. Macru CBD tincture, broad spectrum. And I was watching Rachel's earlier to make sure we got the same stuff. And she was like, maybe all this stuff is peppermint because it was a December box, you know, the holidays. And I was like, that's so freaking true. So basically the only thing that isn't peppermint is the the soft gels and the strawberry melatonin strips. I'm actually going to try one of these in a couple minutes because it is 4 o'clock in the morning. So after my shower, I'm going to see if this will help me sleep. Because I do enjoy the sleepy tinctures is what I call them. So I'm going to see how those strips are. But yes, I am very pleased with that box. I always look forward to these boxes. Hempcrate. Hempcrate. Not sponsored, by the way. I do buy these with my own money. But I know that there used to be a... well, Rachel did it. Not the sponsorship. I am so tired. What is the word I'm looking for? The word will come to me when I'm editing, but if you buy enough, you can have a coupon and like promote it. I don't know. I'm so tired. This is also like my 3rd video of the night, so I apologize. I just wanted to get this unboxing out of the way so I can enjoy it and put this stuff away. And yeah, like I said, I'm already gonna have a January box, and so you're gonna see this twice in 1 month. But yes, I do really enjoy Hempcrate. I have not been disappointed so far. There were some things I didn't care for and some things I did like, but overall for the price, I'm pretty pleased. I think this is my 4th box. 4th? Maybe my 3rd. Anyway, I will talk to you very, very soon. I hope you enjoy these little unboxings. Definitely give Hempcrate a try. Like I said, Rachel does have a coupon that I use to start my subscription, or you can buy like 1 item to use on Hempcrate's website. You can use her coupon as long as it's not expired by the time I upload this, because yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I love you guys so much. Bye. I love you so much. Awkward Pixie out. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye.